Hi everyone, I am Dhanush and I am going to show you the outputs for the programs using control statements. The first program is to find whether the given number is odd or even and print and with a condition of numbers within 5 to 9 to print a not weird and more than 9 to 24 it's weird and it's greater than if the number greater than 24 to print not weird. uh, First of all, I'm getting an input of the value, and I'm giving a if statement whether to find the number is even or odd. Next, uh, whether the if statement is true, then it will print even, or if the if statement is false, then it will print odd. Next, to print the conditions weird and not weird, I'm using if and elif statements. uh, if a greater than or equal to 5 and a less than or equal to 9, then I'm giving a print statement to print not weird, and the elif statement of a greater than 10 and a less than or equal to 24 to print weird, and another elif statement to print a greater than 24 to print not weird. The output of the program is given here, and the second program is to write the interval of numbers in lowercase characters. First, I'm getting inputs of the first and last values of the numbers, and to print the numbers in words, getting and I'm printing the series of numbers in words within a string. Next, I'm using a for loop to get the intervals of numbers, and I'm using an if and else statement to get the series, and the output is given here. The third program is to find whether the number is palindrome or not. Yes, first of all, I'm getting an input from the number, and I'm declaring that temp variable equal to number, which is the input number. Next, I'm giving here the reverse number equal to 0, which I want to get the reverse number. Next, I'm using a while loop to reverse the number. Next, within the while loop, I'm using a if statement whether the temp variable equal to reverse number. If the condition is true, it will print the number is palindrome, and if the condition is false, then it will come to the else block, and it will print it is not a palindrome, and the output is given here. Next, the fourth program is to find the GCD of two numbers. First of all, I'm getting inputs for those two numbers, and I'm using a while loop with the condition true, and it will print a and b. Next, I'm using a if statement, nested if statement within the while loop, whether to find the GCD for those numbers, which if a equal to 0, then print GCD of b, and then it will break. Next, I'm using another if statement to print b equal to 0, then print GCD equal to a, then it will break. Next, using another if statement and an else statement, and the output is given here. And the fifth statement, the fifth program is to find the series of numbers in a given pattern using Fibonacci series. First of all, I'm getting an input to tell how many rows to be the pattern is. Next, I'm using a for loop to print the number of rows, and Inside the for loop I'm using another for loop to print the numbers, and the output is given here. If we run the program, then it will ask enter the number of rows, and if we give it next according to the number, it will print the number of rows with the series of numbers in a given pattern. And thank you.